JavaScript Developer Job Role, Practical Experience Guidelines and AI Contribution. Welcome to the world of JavaScript development. As a JavaScript developer, you'll shape the digital experiences millions interact with daily. From building seamless web applications to designing powerful server-side solutions, this role combines creativity and technical expertise. If you're passionate about crafting innovative solutions, also continuously learning in a dynamic field, then JavaScript development is your calling. Let's dive in as well as build the future of technology together. Job description. JavaScript developers are responsible for designing, developing, and implementing interactive web and mobile applications. They work with front-end and back-end technologies, leveraging frameworks like React, Angular, Node.js, also modern JavaScript features. Their role includes ensuring responsive design, optimizing performance, as well as integrating APIs to create dynamic user experiences. Industry profile. JavaScript is one of the most in-demand programming languages globally. Its versatility across web development, mobile app development, and server-side scripting ensures JavaScript developers are critical in creating cutting-edge applications for industries like tech, e-commerce, finance, also entertainment. Key responsibilities. Front-end development. Create dynamic, interactive web interfaces using React, Vue.js, or Angular. Ensure applications are responsive and mobile-friendly. Back-end development. Implement server-side logic using Node.js and frameworks like Express.js. Integrate and maintain RESTful APIs, also GraphQL endpoints. Testing and debugging. Conduct thorough testing using frameworks like Jest or Mocha. Debug as well as troubleshoot application issues across various devices. Version control. Collaborate using Git, including platforms like GitHub or Bitbucket. Continuous learning. Stay updated with ECMAScript standards along with the latest JavaScript libraries and tools. At a glance. Your interest. Coding, web development, problem solving. Entry qualification. Bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or related field. Lifestyle. Flexible, remote-friendly with opportunities for contract and full-time roles. Location. Global demand, opportunities available in tech hubs and remote work setups. The realities. Requires continuous learning to keep up with evolving frameworks and libraries. Soft Skills Guide. Team collaboration with cross-functional teams. Problem solving and logical thinking for debugging. Effective communication to discuss technical concepts with non-technical stakeholders. Time management to handle multiple project deadlines. Adaptability to learn new tools and technologies quickly. Career path. Trainee/intern, gain exposure to JavaScript basics and collaborate on small projects. Junior developer, build foundational skills by working on supervised tasks. Mid-level developer, independently handle complex projects, also mentor juniors. Senior developer, design large-scale systems as well as lead teams. Lead developer/architect, focus on architectural decisions along with high-level project design. Tech consultant, offer expert advice and solutions to businesses. Related careers. Full-stack developer, expertise in both front-end and back-end development. Mobile app developer, focus on JavaScript-based frameworks like React Native. Game developer, use JavaScript for interactive web-based games. DevOps engineer, automate development pipelines using Node.js scripts. AI or ML engineer, implement AI-driven solutions with JavaScript libraries like TensorFlow.js. Here's a list of practical experiences essential for a JavaScript developer, along with tips on how to learn them using the latest technologies and tools. DOM manipulation. Practical experience. Creating, modifying, and deleting HTML elements dynamically. Adding event listeners to handle user interactions. How to learn. Use the browser's developer tools to inspect, also manipulate the DOM. Practice with small projects like creating a dynamic to-do list or a calculator. Leverage online platforms like FreeCodeCamp or JavaScript Info for interactive tutorials. Asynchronous JavaScript promises async/await. Practical experience. Handling API calls and data fetching. Writing clean asynchronous code using async/await. How to learn. Experiment with public APIs, OpenWeatherMap, JSON placeholder, to fetch also display data. Use platforms like Codecademy or MDN Web Docs for step-by-step examples. Debug using browser tools to trace async workflows. JavaScript frameworks, React, Vue.js, Angular. Practical experience. Building single-page applications, SPAs. Using state management libraries like Redux or Vuex. How to learn. Start with official documentation and beginner-friendly guides. Build projects like an e-commerce store or a blogging platform. Take courses on Udemy, Pluralsight or Scrimba for hands-on learning. Node.js and backend development. Practical experience. Setting up and managing a server. Building RESTful APIs, also working with databases like MongoDB or PostgreSQL. How to learn. Use platforms like the Odin Project or Traversy Media tutorials to build full-stack applications. Practice deploying apps on cloud platforms like Heroku or Vercel. Explore backend frameworks like Express.js for streamlined development. Testing JavaScript code. Practical experience. Writing unit, integration and end-to-end tests. Using tools like Jest, Mocha, also Cypress. How to learn. Start with official Jest or Mocha documentation for basic setups. Write test cases for small apps like a login form. Watch tutorials on platforms like YouTube to learn best practices. Web performance optimization. Practical experience. Reducing load time using lazy loading and code splitting. Optimizing images, also assets for faster delivery. How to learn. Use tools like Lighthouse, built into Chrome, to analyze performance. Follow blogs and tutorials on sites like Smashing Magazine and Web Dev. Experiment with Webpack configurations for bundling. Working with APIs, REST and GraphQL. Practical experience. Integrating third-party APIs and fetching data. Writing GraphQL queries for flexible data retrieval. How to learn. Practice with APIs like GitHub, Spotify or Twilio. Use tools like Postman or Insomnia to test APIs. Follow tutorials on Apollo GraphQL for hands-on experience. Version control, Git. Practical experience. Managing code with Git, creating branches and resolving merge conflicts. Collaborating on platforms like GitHub or GitLab. How to learn. Use interactive Git learning tools like Git or Learn Git branching. Work on collaborative projects or contribute to open source repositories. Watch crash courses on Git basics from YouTube. Responsive design. Practical experience. Creating layouts that adapt to different screen sizes. Using CSS frameworks like Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap. How to learn. Start with simple responsive projects like a personal portfolio website. Test your designs using Chrome DevTools Device Simulator. Explore courses on Frontend Masters or CSS tricks. Build tools, Webpack, Babel, Vite. Practical experience. Configuring build tools for JavaScript projects. Optimizing code for production. How to learn. Follow beginner tutorials on Webpack or Babel from their official docs. Practice by setting up a basic React app from scratch without using Create React App. Explore Vite for faster development environments. Real-time communication. Practical experience. Building real-time features using WebSockets. Implementing chat applications or live data updates. How to learn. Practice with libraries like Socket.io. Build a live chat or collaborative document editing app. Explore free resources on real-time app development with WebSockets. Security best practices. Practical experience. Preventing common vulnerabilities like XSS or CSRF. Securing APIs and sensitive data. How to learn. Follow OWASP guidelines for secure JavaScript practices. Take online courses on secure coding principles. Experiment with security tools like Helmet.js for Node.js. Debugging and profiling. Practical experience. Using browser dev tools to debug and profile JavaScript code. Identifying performance bottlenecks. How to learn. Explore the debugging features of Chrome DevTools and Firefox. Take online tutorials or practice with buggy sample applications. Use real-time debugging tools like VS Code Debugger. This practical experience roadmap, combined with hands-on projects, is key to mastering JavaScript development while staying updated with the latest technologies. AI contribution to autonomous transformation for JavaScript developer role. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role or description, follow our channel Career Quest.